Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto in Action. I hope you guys are doing great. So right now it's time to be very cautious. Why? Because there's a chance, okay, there's a high chance that Bitcoin could be setting a potential trap for the bulls, and I am going to explain that to you in this video. Okay, but before we talk about why this might be a potential bull trap, let's first of all analyze the Bitcoin chart to see what has happened in the past. Okay, because right now Bitcoin is pumping. Okay, it is pumping, it's been pumping since earlier today, and this was like not really expected, but it is happening. So I want to analyze it with you guys and just tell you guys exactly why it is pumping right now and see where it could potentially go in the next coming hours or days. Okay, so let's jump into the chart. Right now I am looking at the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, Bitcoin is currently trading at 16,925. Okay, now few days ago, right, Bitcoin was literally trading between 16,600 and 16,300. Okay, this is where Bitcoin was bouncing back and forth. It was finding resistance around 16,600, and it had some support around 16,300, right? And after that, right, Bitcoin ended up breaking that support of 16,300 and we started falling. As it was falling here, it managed to find support right around 15,900. And I reanalyzed the chart to see why was that. Why is it that Bitcoin actually, instead of continuing to dump right lower towards the biggest support it has, which is around 15,400, and then bounce back from them, why is it that it just stopped right here and then it started pumping, right? So I reanalyzed the chart and I found out the reason why. So the reason why was because of this uptrend line. So there's a new uptrend line which I was able to draw right here. Okay, and this explains why. Okay, this explains one of the reasons why Bitcoin was able to pump. So you can see that it had the first touch here, second touch was right here, and then we could say that this is probably the third touch, right? And this is one of the reasons why Bitcoin, instead of continuing to dump towards 15,400, it just started pumping back up. And right now, as we're talking, Bitcoin is literally in the middle of breaking this 16,600 resistance, which it was struggling to break the last few days. It's currently above it right now on the 4-hour time frame. Now, let's talk about where Bitcoin could be going and then why this might be a potential bull trap. Okay, reason number one is because Bitcoin is currently overbought on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see right here. Okay, it is literally on the overbought area. Now, even though it's overbought, I know the price could continue going higher even though it's overbought, but chances are, because it is overbought, this pump will end up reversing back down. And as it does reverse back down, it will end up finding support along this trend line. That's if this trend line is strong enough. Okay, but as of right now, okay, because Bitcoin was able to break this 16,600 resistance, I see Bitcoin heading towards the next resistance, which is around 17,000. Okay, between 17,500 and 18,000. This is like where the major resistance is for Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin continues to pump, I believe it will end up starting to reverse once it gets around 17,500 or 18,000, because these are like major resistance for Bitcoin. Now, another resistance that Bitcoin has here is also this vertical resistance here in yellow here, right? This is also acting as a resistance for Bitcoin. So it's going to be interesting to see whether Bitcoin is going to actually be able to close back above it or end up getting rejected. If it actually ends up getting rejected at this vertical resistance, then this will just cause the price to dump back down to this trend line once more. So we're going to see what happens. Okay, there's still like an hour and 37 minutes left for this 4-hour candle to close. So we'll see if it closes above, that's great. And let's see what the next 4-hour candle will close at. If it closes bullish, that would be good. But if it closes bearish, that will be a sign of rejection around this vertical resistance. So yeah, there's still a lot of hours left for us to really see the bigger picture and what's happening. Now, the price could decide to actually even continue to pump in this current 4-hour candle. It can decide to continue to pump all the way to 17,500 or even 18,000. Okay, that could happen if a lot of buyers keep jumping in and pushing the price higher. That could happen, but you never know. Okay, you can never be certain about it. So yeah, we'll just have to see. But this is it for the analysis, guys. I just wanted to give you guys this quick update as to why the price is pumping, and to just let you guys know that this might be a potential bull trap. Just be aware of it so you don't fall into that trap. Okay, so yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be tomorrow. Have a great day. Cheers.